Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. So today I'm here with the final walkthrough of a romantic garden mini album that we created together. So this is a book that I created together with my Patreons, and this is the digital collection for the month of March that is called Romantic Garden. And I just love how this came out. I wanted to do a shabby chic, beautiful little mini album, and that is what we have. So let me give you a look here at the cover. So I'm using, of course, the elements from the collection, and I have some flowers here that all came from my stash, and I just love the beautiful different types and colors of flowers. And then over here I have like a pleated trim, and then this other little ribbon going on top. So on the spine here I have this really pretty charm that I found on my stash, and it's just so delicate, and I think it goes really perfect with the collection and with the look of the book. And I just love that butterfly. And then here is the back. If you're not on my Patreon, I will have this little book here available as a class by itself also. And so now let's take a look on the inside. So on the inside here I have a pocket. I added all kinds of different trims and laces on to this book, and then on the pocket here we have some journaling or photo mat areas. These I actually cut from the cover of the collection, and I just did a little collage here. And then I just love all the beautiful images, and of course you can do some journaling. You can add more photo mats here on the pocket as well. And then over here we have the beautiful image of this girl reading by the window, and again some little flowers. This opens up like that, opens up like this, and lots of room for pictures there. So for this book I am also using my Easy Hinge style book. Then over here again beautiful a lot of journaling and reading pages, which I love. Some trim, and then this opens up like that, so place for pictures. And then each one of the back pockets has, or the back pages has a back pocket here. And then so this comes out, and then we have a beautiful photo mats little booklet, so you can add pictures or journaling on the inside, and then they all go in here. And these again little paper border right there. So let me make sure I put this straight. There we go. Over here, this was my favorite page, so I did this open pocket page. I just like two half pockets here, and then it's a beautiful place to add some photo mats, some journaling, again image from the collection. And I just love how this looks like that. And then you can tag in some photo mats in there. Here we have this page that opens to the side, some more pretty trims, opens up like that. Then over here we have a belly band, so another photo. This is another collage that I did using the image from the cover page of the collection. And then back here we have again the photo mat, little booklet. And it's just so pretty, the collection again, so romantic, so shabby chic. And that is gonna go back in there. Then we have another gatefold page, but this one is an accordion gatefold, so it opens up like that. And I just love how the girls come together when you close the page like this. And then this is the other side of the accordion. And then here on the next page, these again the beautiful girl reading. This opens down like that, so some places for pictures. And then we have the pocket over here. So I did ink all around the pages, and then this opens up like that. And I just love the pastel colors with, you know, the little bit of vintage from the ink all around. So I think that looks really nice. Okay, so that goes in there. And then on this back page again, just like the first opening page, we have a pocket with the trim, and then some flowers that I added all from my stash. And then here a little journaling area photo mats, and then another photo mats right here. So super fun to play with this beautiful collection. So again, this was the project and tutorial for the month of March for my Patreon, that you can always find the video class by itself and the digital collection on my website. I will have them linked down below. And this book is also going to be listed for sale, so I'm going to have it on my website as well. So I hope you guys enjoy the walkthrough of this mini album. I absolutely love it. I love the colors and all the little details, and I hope you guys like it as well. And I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.